In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use query function in Google Sheets. The query function is a powerful way to filter and reshape your data using simple SQL-like commands, all inside a single formula. We'll walk through a clean example so you can see exactly how it works and why it's so useful. First, identify the data range you want to pull from. Imagine you have a small table sitting in A1 through C10. That means your range is A1, C10, with columns A, B, and C side by side. Make sure your data is organized in columns, and if your first row contains headers, note that because we'll tell the formula about it in a moment. Next, think about what you want to see. With query, you write a select statement to pick specific columns. Even if your headers have names, query refers to columns by their letters. For example, typing select A, C tells Google Sheets to return only columns A and C from your range. This helps you avoid copying and pasting or hiding columns you don't need. Now add a condition to refine the results. Use a where clause to filter rows. For instance, where B100 will only include rows where the value in column B is greater than 100. This is great for focusing on key records without manually sorting or deleting anything. Keep in mind that numeric comparisons, like greater than, use plain numbers, while text comparisons would require quotation marks. Logical operators such as AND or OR are available, but for this example, we'll keep it simple. Let's put it all together in a formula. Click into cell E1, an empty spot where you want the results to appear, and type the following exactly. Query A1 C10 select A C where B watch 100 1. The first part tells Sheets where to look, the quoted section is your query, and the final number indicates how many header rows your data has. In this case, 1 tells Sheets that the first row in A1C10 contains headers, so it will treat that row as column labels. If your data had no headers, you'd use 0 instead. After you press enter, the results will spill into E1 and the cells below it. Make sure there's nothing in the way, or Google Sheets will warn you about overlapping data. If you don't see results, double check your punctuation, that your range is correct, and that your condition matches the data type in column B. That's it. You've used query to select specific columns and filter rows in one clean formula, saving time and keeping your sheet organized.